The most we could train in person each year was about 300 people who could come to us for the courses, maybe 350. And the problem was also that out of those 300, not everyone managed to pass the course, Once we implemented, and we could only do so much then, when we implemented Enabley, we had national coverage as a company. And then 2 years go by and the company becomes an international company.
Yeah.
And now, well, since we already had our online certification program, well, now we have international coverage.
That's great. And I imagine it's also helped you internally as a company, as a sales strategy, right? Because once they train with you and know more about your products, well, there's more ways to reach them, right?
Yes, it reduced the warranty claims.
Okay.
In fact, all the people who end up having a problem with the equipment, none of them are among those who have come to us for training. Because, well, for the people who certify, we give them a 2-year warranty. Equipment has a 1-year warranty. And for those with full certification, they get 2. From that group, which is now a large group, no one has ever claimed anything. They're the ones who have passed all the training.
So that means the training you're giving them through the system is efficient, right? That you can see the value of what is generating because that's costs, right? All the warranties you end up having are costs that are reflected in the company.
Of course.